Obituary by A.K. Ramanujan is a poignant and satirical poem reflecting on the death of the poet's father. The poem blends personal grief, irony, and cultural critique, presenting the material and emotional void left behind. Themes 1. Mortality and legacy. Explores the mundane aspects of death and what remains after a person passes away. 2. Irony and satire. Highlights the triviality and materiality of the father's legacy. Satirize societal rituals surrounding death and mourning. 3. Cultural and familial expectations. Reflects on the responsibilities and burdens left for the living, especially in traditional Indian households. 4. Intergenerational relationships. Shows the complex bond between father and son, filled with both reverence and resentment. 5. Materialism and poverty. Captures the financial struggles and the everyday realities of life. Summary. The poem begins with the father's death, listing the material and emotional remnants he left behind. These include debts, daughters to be married off, a dilapidated house, and a grandson named after him. Ramanujan uses irony to highlight how the father's death caused curiosity among the townspeople but left behind unresolved responsibilities. The son reflects on his father's legacy with a mix of bitterness, grief, and humor. The poem juxtaposes traditional mourning customs with the stark realities of life, critiquing societal and familial expectations. Literary devices. 1. Tone. Satirical, ironic, and reflective. 2. Imagery. The father's legacy is depicted through vivid and mundane objects, dust, debts, a leaning house, and a crumpled horn cow. 3. Irony. The poem critiques the traditional view of legacy by focusing on trivialities rather than profound memories. 4. Juxtaposition. Contrasts traditional mourning rituals with the harsh realities of life and poverty. 5. Symbolism. The muddy river symbolized the flow of life disrupted by the father's death. 6. Free verse. The poem's structure reflects the disjointed and chaotic nature of grief and legacy. Key lines and analysis. 1. Father, when he passed on, left dust on a table full of papers. The opening line sets a tone of disillusionment, focusing on mundane remnants of life. 2. A funeral with the town watching curiously. Highlights the performative aspect of death rituals in society. 3. A pyre brought tears to the eyes of a passing bullock. A poignant yet ironic image showcasing the absurdity of grief and mourning. 4. Some descendants who are afraid to step into the sun wear black clothes. Critiques the rigid traditions and cultural practices of mourning. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. What tone does Ramanujan employ in the poem, Obituary? A. Sentimental and nostalgic. B. Satirical and reflective. C. Angry and resentful. D. Romantic and passionate. Answer. B. Satirical and reflective. 2. What does the dust on a table full of papers symbolize? A. The futility of life. B. The father's financial legacy. C. The passage of time. D. The son's indifference. Answer. A. The futility of life. 3. Which image represents societal expectations in the poem? A. The muddy river. B. The tightly scheduled mourning rituals. C. The crumpled horn cow. D. The passing bullock shedding tears. Answer. B. The tightly scheduled mourning rituals. 4. What does the line, a house that leaned on a bamboo fence, imply? A. The precarious financial state of the family. B. The beauty of their ancestral home. C. The father's love for traditional architecture. D. The strength of the family bonds. Answer. A. The precarious financial state of the family. 5. What is the poem's structure? A. Sonnet. B. Free verse. C. Haiku. D. Ballad. Answer B. Free verse. Obituary by A.K. Ramanujan is a brilliant critique of societal rituals, family dynamics, and the concept of legacy. It masterfully blends satire, irony, and poignancy to depict the aftermath of a father's death in a traditional Indian family.